The course that we do here gives you a fantastic insight into many different aspects of business, because we look at things like accounts, we look at HR, we look at marketing, we look at entrepreneurialism, we look at finance. All these things that are sort of core when you go into the business world.
For the course we do loads of trips. We go out of college, we've been up to the House of Parliament with the college, we go and visit different businesses. We meet the managers of the business to see how they're run and get their expertise.
The great thing when they meet local businesses and they meet local entrepreneurs is they can see that they are people. They are people that had a dream, that have followed the dream. What we teach in the textbooks, they talk in real life, so it makes it all relevant to them. And in fact, it not only inspires, but enhances the teaching and learning process.
The best thing about doing business here at Coleg y Cymoedd is the learning experience. You get great knowledge, great support, and it is a very good course to take.